Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the pineapple milkshake in Heartopia. So, to unlock this pineapple milkshake, you need to reach cooking hobby level 11. And then once you get this level, you can just get this recipe, the basic milkshake recipe from the NPC Massimo. And then after that, just go to your stove and then choose the basic milkshake recipe like this. In here, you need milk, 2 box milks, and then fruits. And then for the fruits ingredient, just replace it with the pineapple like this. You can get the pineapple from the gardening hobby, and then after that, just simply tap on start cooking like this, and then just cook the milkshake. And like this, you can see you already successfully making pineapple milkshake. And then for the recipe, it automatically unlock and it will add it to your collections like this one. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for my tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.